Dear students, in this video, I am going to discuss how to insert at the specific location of double linked list. And the heads previous is null and the last nodes next will be null, right? So this is the new node. As per this, data is 5 and here null will be there, its previous and its next is also null, right? Based on this diagram, new node's address is 5000, right? So now which position I would like to insert? At position 3, I would like to insert. So as you know well, if I want to insert here, up to 2 I have to traverse. So I have to reach this place. After reaching this, I have to do the modifications in the linking part and then 5 is inserted at the specific location. So after inserting 5 at position 3, this is the final diagram looks. Now let us see how to write the programming for this. Now you see this is the coding for that. So here the function name is insertion at a position with 2 arguments. So from main function, when this function is called, the control come here. Once all the task is done, it will go again to the same place. So insertion at position, here the data is 5 and the position is 3. In this place I have to insert this data, right? So here insertion means as usual we have to create the new node with the 5 details. So first one, declaring the new node. So we declared the new node, okay, and then allocating space using dynamic memory allocation, and the new node of data is equal to data, that is 5, and the new node of previous equal to null, this is null, and the new node of next is equal to null, and here it is null. Everything is created. So new node address is based on the diagram 5000, it is pointing here, okay. And the next, now what I'm going to do here, traversing, this is the traversing part. Here I skipped that position equal to 1, okay. If the position is equal to 1 means we can here include that insertion at the beginning part. So I skipped that, directly at the specific location only I mentioned here. Traversing, first assignment I have to do this part, total part I will explain with the help of diagram. So as per this, this is 5 and this is null and this is also null, position equal to 3. Now let us see, I am assigning head to temp. So here I am taking the temp variable and its value is head, that is 2000, okay, it is pointing here, okay. I am using I value for traversing this for loop. So I is equal to 1, 1 less than, position is 3, so position minus 1 is 2. So here 1 less than 2, yes, true. Here I will write this is temp and this is temp of next. As per now, temp is 2000, its next is 3000, so that I will write here 3000, okay. Here based on this, I less than, this is true, and the temp of next not equal to null, yes, 3000 not equal to null, the condition is true. If it is true, this is the statement for traversing, temp is equal to temp of next. That means now temp value will be changed to temp of next. So here it will become 3000, this link is disconnected, it creates this link, okay. So again for loop is begin. So now I value is 2. 2 less than 2, no, the condition failed. So it will not go inside. That means I reached the exact position. So directly it will come to the next line. What we are doing, new node of next is equal to temp of next. This is new node. This is the next part, right? So here what I'm going to do, here in this place, I have to assign temp of next. Who is temp now? 3000. Temp of next is 4000. So temp of next is 4000. This value I have to assign to new node of next. So new node of next I assigned 4000. So it is pointing here. Okay. Okay. First step. Next step. New node of previous is equal to temp. So this is new node of previous. For new node of previous, what I have to assign? Temp. What is the temp value? 3000. So 3000 I have assigned. So it is pointing to 3000. Link I created, okay. And this part, okay, what is this? Temp of next, that is what here. Now you see here, this is temp, whose next is, now you see temp of next of previous, who is temp? 3000, its next is 4000. So this node, its previous, this portion, what should come? This address should go. So temp of next of previous, in this place I have to add new node value. What is new node? 5000. So I should include like this. What is the meaning of that? It is pointing here. It is pointing here. Okay. And next, finally, temp of next is equal to new node. This is temp of next. Here, new node 5000 should come here. Now you see this diagram. This 5000 here. So it gives links here. And here 3000. And here 4000. And here 5000. So in this way, we inserted at specific location. So now I completed the coding part for this case. Okay, now let us see how the animation is working for this case. Now let us see, actually here in animation position 1 also included. Just let us see how it is working. First, we are calling the function with the data 3 and the position 1. So we are calling that insertion at the beginning part only. It is include 3 is created and then address modification has been done. So 3 is included at the position so that it will come out of the function. Okay, this is first case. Suppose in the specific location, this part only I explained in the coding part, right, by using the for loop. Now position is 3, data is 5. So first condition failed. So directly it will come to that next part. So for traversing, we have taken this temp and then by using that for loop, it is traversing. It reached the exact position where we have to include the new node. So new node is created with the data. Now we have changed the modifications so that it is included in the middle. So finally it is inserted at the specific location of double linked list. Now let us discuss the algorithm part for this. Starting, insertion at the function at a position is the function with the data and the 2 arguments we passed from the main function and created the new node with the DMA and then assign the data value, okay, that is 5, and then previous and the next will be null. We assign like that. To traversing, we have taken the pointer temp and head is assigned to that. For traversing, we have taken the for loop from 1 to position -1. Okay, and then so if temp of next is null, then the position is out of range. Okay, so position is out of bound. That is the reason we should not go beyond the list. Okay, up to that I have to move temp to the next node. So we will do the traversing in this part. This is the traversing part. After reaching the exact position, we have to do the adjustment of the pointers. So we adjusted temp of next to this part, temp of next to here, and then temp to new node of previous. After doing that, again we have to set. So based on the adjustment, we have to do all those things. So new node to previous part and a new node to the temp of next. In that way, all adjustment we have to do it, and finally we have to complete the function. That's all about inserting at the specific location of double linked list. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will continue in the next video.